Hello everyone, let's have a look how to create Google Map API. First go to console.cloud.google.com. Now click on My Google Map API. Click on the New Project button to create a project. Now fill project details and click on the Create button. After creating a project, click on Select Project button in Notifications. In the next step, open API and Services in the Quick Access section. After that, go to Credentials. Here you can see the Create Credentials option, click on it, and select API Key in the drop-down option. Your API key is created. Use this key in the plugin, but before this, enable some API and services. Open the API and Services tab and click on Enable API and Services option. Enable following APIs. Places API. Another Places API. Map JavaScript API. Geocoding API. Now you can use Google Map API services by adding a previously created key and plugin. Thank you for watching this video.